and this feels weird. Really weird. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. This feels really weird because I haven't filmed a video in ages, but I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a nice new year. I thought I would start off the new year with a Lush haul. Lush have just brought out their Valentine's Day range. It may be a little bit early to do Valentine's Day stuff, but they've just brought out their Valentine's Day range and also some like spring items. It's not just Valentine's Day, but I work for Lush, if you didn't know. I worked for Lush since, when was it, May last year? So I've worked for them for a little while now. This is my first like Valentine's Day range. Are you filming me? Don't, because I've undone my button on my jeans. And it's my first like Valentine's Day range. I don't know if I've done a haul. Oh no, I did a Halloween haul. I'll link any other Lush related videos down below. Let me know if you like Lush stuff and I will do more Lush videos. I'm also very conscious that my battery is gonna die on the camera, so I'm gonna be quick. I haven't bought loads of stuff. I've just bought the things that I wanted to buy. There's loads of other things. I will leave a link down below to the Lush website if you want to go and have a mooch. There's quite a few other things that I didn't buy just because I didn't really want them. So I'm going to start off with bath bombs, and I've just picked up a bubble bar, so I'll put that back. Right, I'm going to start off with bath bombs. The first one that I got is Love Boat, which they had last year. I don't remember like shopping at Lush for Valentine's Day last year. Like when everyone talks, oh this came back, like I don't remember it, but this is Love Boat. I will try and insert some clips and overlay some stuff of some of the bits that I've filmed when I'm at work, because I'm part of the social media dream team. I won't take all the credit because it's not on me, but yeah, I've got some clips and stuff that I filmed like in the bowl, the demo bowl at work, so I will pop a couple of those if I have them. So this is Love Boat. It smells like the Sweets Love Hearts. It smells amazing. It looks beautiful in the bowl. It's also got these little hearts on the bottom, which is really, really cute. And yeah, they come off in the water, a bit like the stars in Golden Wonder, the Christmas bath bomb. But it's a really, really cute one, and it smells edible, which most Lush things do. Also, I'll pop the prices on screen because I don't know. There are only 2 more bath bombs that Lush have brought out this year, and they are a bit risque, not gonna lie. So the first one is the good old aubergine emoji. This looks really, really nice in the bowl. If I've got footage, I'll put it over. If not, I'm sorry, but it smells really, really nice, and it looks basically how it looks here. It goes purple. It's also got blue inside, which is really, really nice. Bit risque. That's kind of like how Lush have gone this year. If you find out some of the names or go on the website and read some of the things that it says like how to use, then you'll know what I'm on about. But yeah, I'm not gonna go down that route. Next one is the Peachy Bath Bomb, and this I'm actually really impressed with. I thought when I saw like the pictures of like the sneak preview, because we know what's coming out like before you don't know what's coming out, so we can learn about the products and stuff. I thought this was going to be like flat. I thought it was going to be like that, but it's actually really, really big. This is like £3 something. I think it's £3.95 or £3.75, but it's really, really beautiful, and they actually spray it on like what's it called, Jay? When they
spray paint.
Spray paint, that's the one. I can't think of that. They spray paint it on. That's how you get like the ombre effect. And yeah, I think for the price it's a really like hefty bath bomb, and it's got loads of nice glitter on the bottom of it. On the bottom of it. It smells really nice. It smells like peaches. Next up is bubble bars. My 2 favourite ones. I don't know, it's my 1 favourite, but I actually picked up 2. Love Token. When I saw this a couple months ago, I was like, ah, because I thought it was beautiful. The only thing is I wish it wasn't a bubble bar. I wish it was a bath melt, a bit like Starlight Starbright, if anyone knows that from Christmas. But it is this one, and it is Love Token. I picked up 2. I mean, doesn't it just make everything look so much better? It smells amazing. It's cinnamon, like warm spicy scents, but it is a bubble bar, so you just break off a little bit at a time. I guess it would look like Sunnyside. I haven't actually tried one of these out, I just can't bear to break one, but I assume it's going to look like Sunnyside, and loads of like glitter, but it just looks beautiful, beautiful. The next one is this one, which is called Six, and it's Six like this. This smells like Yognog. If anyone had Yognog over Christmas, I don't know if it was out last Christmas, but Yognog was beautiful. It smells like marzipan-y, Battenberg-y kind of scent. They have it in this sort of colour spectrum, what do you call it, these two colours, colourway, or they have it in blue and, what's the other one, blue and yellow? Is it? I should know because I put them all out. Yeah, I think it's blue and yellow. So it's a 6, or you can make it a 9. Use your imagination.
Is it not green?
No, it's blue and... I'm sure it's blue and yellow. It's not green.
I thought it was green.
No, it's definitely not green. Other bubble bar I got, the last bubble bar I got, is this one, which is called Open Your Heart Bubble Rune, which is a bit like the Rose Jam Bubble Room. Bubble Room?
Blue and yellow.
Blue and yellow, let me see. Yeah, I thought so. I know my stuff. This is based off Madonna's bras, which you'll be able to see. So it's got like a moisturising middle to it. It's covered in glitter, a bit like Love Token, which I love glitter at the minute. Like, my nails are glittery, I just love it. So it's nice and moisturising. Why are you doing that face? It's nice and moisturising. And it smells like Golden Pear, which is the Christmas soap. Golden Pear, I was about to say, it smells like Madonna's bra. It smells like... Might do, but it smells like Golden Pear, which is amazing, and there's all glitter everywhere now, but I love it. But it's, yeah, nice and moisturising and very, very glittery. And that one's called Open Your Heart, because I think that's a Madonna song. Is that right? I don't know, I don't listen to Madonna, but it smells amazing, so going to a Lush, definitely give that a sniff. And the last like single product that I got, oh, single product, is Love Island. That was a good like segue into this. This is, I'm sure it's £3.90. Good link, yeah. This smells like the perfume Love, and it's also got rosemary in the middle. If you can see, if it'd like to focus, that'd be grand. Yeah, it's got rosemary like in the middle, and it's a like shower scrub, or you could use it in the bath if you wanted to. I think it's meant to be really scrubby, so quite exfoliating, not very soft. So if you want something that's really exfoliating, then give Love Island a little go. The last thing I got, which I haven't opened yet, but I got this like strategically because I wanted the American Pie and I wanted the American Cream that is a shower gel. This gift set is the Knickerbocker Glorious, and it comes like this, really pretty packaging, and inside you get both. So I'm going to open it because why not, if I can open it quick. But it's in really pretty packaging. I can't speak today. Pretty packaging. Oh, and a little pink box. There's loads of other gift sets as well. There's a llama one, which has got comes with 2 sex bombs in the llama one. But yeah, so this is the box it comes in. It's actually really cute. Oh, cute. Okay, so you get the American Pie body conditioner. So this is basically like a conditioner that you use on your hair, but for your body. So you wash with your American Cream first, and then you'd use this afterwards. You're right there. You want to see what's inside? You'd use this afterwards, all onto one side. You'd use this afterwards to like moisturise and hydrate, a bit like an in-shower body lotion kind of thing. A lot of people look at you like, what? But it's actually really nice, a body conditioner. And then this is the shower gel, which is American Cream. It's a beautiful, beautiful colour, very like springy. This is actually really hard to smell. I know loads of people say it's really hard to smell different products in Lush because you just have like the mist of the lushness. Once you wet it, and then you can smell a lot more, but I couldn't really smell much. I've got a cold as well, which doesn't help, but I couldn't smell loads. So when you actually use this in the shower or in the bath, wherever you like to wash, then you can definitely smell it loads more. So that is that one. But I'm glad that I got that because I was going to buy the bigger size of this, which is £11.95, but for £12 I got the gift set, so I would much rather do that. So that is everything that I picked up. There's a few other bits in the collection. There is a new massage bar, there is some new like mouthwash tabs. It's called Adam's Apple. The massage bar is called the Big Banana, and there is Eve's Cherry, which is a new lip scrub, which everyone says tastes amazing. I think that is everything. Oh, and Unicorn Horn is back. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Jay's going, and peace, but I'm not Minnie Minter, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe. Leave any video suggestions down below. I'm back uploading videos. I don't want to say a date yet, like a specific day and time I'm going to upload, because I never stick to it. So I'm just going to leave it for now. Make sure to switch on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a video. I hope you're all well, and I will see you very soon for another one.